Hi, so I'm Matt LeBlanc. I am bare bones sculpture, and I'm in the studio right now making, flip this around, horses. It's horses, my mask roll down. So I got these little guys, my work gave them to me, and I'm just doing little tack welds on them, make them snap right. So I'm gonna spray paint them black, and they're gonna be little window ornaments. So I'm about to do the next one. We'll put this guy over here. So I need these little circles. Put one over there, over here. Get this horse. Pretty neat. I got this magnet. So I just kind of prop him up, get him under there. Yeah, one sec. Trying to do this with one hand is a little difficult, so we're just gonna do this. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, cool. Get back, get back. All right, very well. So I got my gloves. I'm using my MIG welder. It's a Forney. Got some argon gas. Just a quick look at my workshop. All my metal, just in my garage. So always remember proper safety vision. Got some glove. All right. Now, I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's do this. Okay, looks good. Second one. All right, that's it. Cool. Let's have a better look. Neat. I like it. All right, now we got 3 new horses. So, spray paint them black. If you want one, let me know. All right, thanks for watching.